Power down your Apple iPhone SE smartphone. Eject the nano SIM card tray. Remove the two bottom 3.4mm pentalobe screws located next to the lightning connector. Place a suction cup near the home button. While applying firm, constant force, use the plastic triangle opening tool to work around the display assembly and separate from the iPhone SE rear case. Just like the iPhone 5S, lurking beneath the iPhone SE display is the Touch ID cable. Do not pull the display up too far without first removing the bracket and disconnecting the cable. The display assembly is still connected to the iPhone by several cables, so don't try to remove it entirely just yet. Remove the following 4 Phillips screws securing the metal bracket to the motherboard. These screws are different sizes, so be sure to remember where they go. Use the fine-tip curved tweezers to remove the metal bracket and disconnect the LCD, digitizer, and front camera and proximity sensor cables. Remove the following 2 Phillips screws and then the metal bracket. With the spudger, detach the iPhone SE 3.8-volt battery from the logic board. With the spudger, detach the rear-facing camera from the iPhone SE logic board. The 12-megapixel iPhone SE rear-facing camera can now be removed.